Hey dental fans, I'm Dr. Rich. I had a viewer ask me if I could make a video showing how I floss my own teeth. So I decided I'm going to make a video of me flossing my teeth so that viewer can watch what I do with my hands as I'm flossing. So I'm going to use the floss that I normally use is Glide floss. Like that the best. So first thing you do, take a nice long piece of it, about 1.5 feet long. If you're gonna err, go a little bit longer rather than a little bit shorter, because then you want to pinch the ends of it and you want to spin the floss down so it's wrapped around your fingers, and then you're left with a tiny little piece that you can manipulate well. And because it's wrapped on your fingers, it's not going to slide around or move too much. All right, so let me step a little closer so you can see my teeth. And here it goes. So the front teeth are pretty simple to do. Back one's a little bit tougher. I still have my wisdom teeth, so I gotta reach way in the back to get in between my second molars and my wisdom teeth. All right, now let me do the bottom right, way in the back. I'll start there and work forward. All right, so I flossed all my bottom teeth, and the same thing as in my how to floss video. I get the floss in between the top spot, then I push the floss against one side of the tooth, go up and down a couple times, push it against the other tooth, up and down a couple times, and then I pop it up to remove it. So now let's do the top. Even though my two front teeth have pretty big space, we dentists call it a diastema. So even though I don't get much food caught there, plaque can still build up, and it's always a good idea to floss it to make sure you get the plaque off. Now some spots, my teeth aren't evenly spaced. Some of my teeth are pretty tight together, so it's a little difficult to get the floss in between. That's why I like using the Glide. Since it's made out of Teflon, it gets in between those spots pretty easily. But then in other spots, I actually have gaps between my teeth. That's just how my teeth grew in. I never had braces as a kid. So those are much easier to floss. Let's go a little further in the back. That was the last one. All right, and with anything, first time you do this, you're gonna feel like you're all thumbs. You can't get the floss in the right way. You're looking in the mirror, everything's backwards for you. But like most things in life, it takes practice. To get good at anything, you need to practice. So keep doing it, keep practicing every day. Keep reviewing the technique to make sure you're doing it the right way, because remember, it's not practice makes perfect, it's perfect practice makes perfect. So let's finish up. All right, and that's it. I got them all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anything else? Any questions on what I do? Any other topics you'd like me to make a video of? Please leave me a comment below, and see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.